15 seconds remaining time. 6 seconds on the shot clock is stolen by Uring Katakutan. And just gonna be called for officiating official with 1 minute and 8 seconds. And call for unsportsmanlike foul against with wearing jersey number 6, Christian Sayon Yu. Third quarter itong Gochoco at Dahlgren Geografia is stolen with your team of blue shirt. The unstoppable of Brooks Point, Yaya De Los Reyes. Not good for Yaya. Yaya put back. Good for 2 points by Isaiah De Los Reyes. One Badajoz. Badajoz 3-pointer. Not good for Badajoz. Christian Sayon Yu. Pagpag yung pau-pau siya. Soko. Naku, kompleto. Yung magandang pagkaka-reverse ng bola. Number 17, Uring Katakutan. Number 31, John Harvey Lim creating some space. Good for 2 points. Dahlgren cross-court pass. Sayon Yu. Sayon Yu outside jumper. No good there. Hindi bumasket by Christian Sayon Yu. Sayon Yu try to put it back. Good for 2 points by Sayon Yu. Tumatabla po tayo 16 point mga kaibigan. Number 31, Harvey Lim. Itong pride ng El Nido bibigay sa import from Quezon City. Uring Malabayabas. Number 59, Paupo siya Soko sending for Paulo Hagmis. Number 99, Paulo Hagmis. Bibigay kay Malabayabas. Stolen by Christian Angelo Abdul Danao, the son of mayor ng Municipality of Nara, the Fast and the Furious. Bibigay kay Uring Katakutan, number 17, creating some space by Uring. We have only 3 seconds on the shot clock. Good Choco outside. Good Choco for 3 points. We have only 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Second quarter of the game. Number 33, RJ Gabinete. Bibigay kay John Paul Pepe Madeja. Good for 3 points. Angat na po sa 10 point yung abante ng team ng Princess Rusher 1B. But put back by Ryan Reyes. Good for 8 minutes and 48. Reninta Ripel layup is good for 2 points. The pride of Quezon. 57 sa 63. Floater good for 2 points. RJ Gabinete Sayon with your team of big RBT Trading. 61-63. Outside chopper. Good Choco. Bigan na nakakailang 3-point na binibitawan ng batang Gochoco. Pride ng El Nido. Pero yung Dahlgren Geografia sa pride ng Manunggol, Quezon, Christian Angelo Abdul Danao bibigay kay number 11, Isaiah De Los Reyes. At natapik nitong Ryan Reyes. Sa ating championship game. 3 minutes and 48. Number 31, Harvey Lim. Up in under by Harvey Lim. Good for 2 points by Lim. 89-90. Number 6, Christian Sayon Yu. Bibigay kay RJ Gabinete. Wide open for 3. RJ Gabinete for 3 points.